Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here we are going to talk about this beautiful application called Doctopus, with the help of which you can perform different types of actions on different type of content present in a PDF file. Right, so how this application works and what all things you can perform with the help of this application on the extracted content of a PDF, that's what we are going to see now in this tutorial. So stay tuned with me and let's dive into the lecture quickly. So this is the landing page which the user will come across when he will first access the application. He just have to click this first link to get himself redirected to this login screen. If he is a new user, he needs to register himself first on the portal. So let's do that quickly. So I'm going to use the things which are already there reflecting in the browser. So let's just register because I have already a profile registered with this username called Gaurav. That's the reason I am unable to register another profile with the same name. So let's use another name for now, and I'm going to use Daksh. Okay, and here I'm going to put the email ID of Daksh, and it's just random things which I am putting over here. Daksh@gmail.com. Quickly I am filling all the details. Okay, done with filling number. Fine, and let's just register the profile of Daksh. So we have successfully registered, and automatically, as you can see, we have got redirected to the login page. And here I need to key in the display name which I entered by creating the profile, and let's enter the password. So it will now redirect me to the dashboard which looks like this. Okay, so here on top you can see the details related to the profile of Daksh which I just filled, right? And here also you can see the name of Daksh getting reflected and his phone number which I keyed in. So this makes these basic things makes the application more user friendly. Now we have a tab over here called extract text from PDF. We are going to make use of this for extracting the content of a PDF file. Let me quickly extract the content of this PDF, and here I'm going to upload it. So as you can see, we have the content of the PDF file over here now inside the CK editor, right? Along with comes some functionalities with the help of which we can modify the look and feel of the content. So how it happens, let me show you that. So I would like to have some space in between the question and answer. What is the next question? This is the next question, and I would like to have its answer in the next line. Then what is the next question? This is question number 3. Let's have some space between question 1 and question 2 and question 3. Likewise, you can give spaces and make it aligned like this. Okay, now I would like to have a table in between the answer of question 1 and question 2. So let's do it, and here I'm going to put some random things. Okay, and let's come down in question 2 and let's insert an image. So I don't have any image right now. Let me Google and search for a good image. Just a second. I think I am not connected to the internet. Let me quickly do it. Give me a moment. So basically, if you don't have the Word installed on your device, or if you don't have Excel installed in your device, you can make use of this application, right? And you can perform different actions on the content of the extracted of the PDF file that you have uploaded, right? And here I'm going to search for my own image. So if I do this, Gaurav Kumar Jen, I think I will be able to see my images on the top. Yes. Okay, and let me use this one for now. So how to put this image in the application's CK editor? We have to copy the address of the image and we just have to paste it over here, and let's just say okay. I think I made a mistake. Let me again do it. Copy images address, sorry. And this time I think I'll be able to do it. I need to come here on link and save. I think it is fine now. Yeah, the image has come, as you can see, correct. And if you want to, let's say, you want to modify the height and width of the image, so that also you can do very easily. Okay, let me do okay. And yeah, so the image is like this now. Let me just increase the width of the image to 200. I think this will make it look good. Yeah, now it's coming better. Okay, there are number of things you can perform. If you want to insert a special character, that also you can do. If you want to insert, if you want to check out the source code, right, which is in HTML, so that also you can find over here. Now if you want to enlarge the size of this screen so as to get rid of the sidebar, so just you have to click this and you will get to see only the CK editor in place. So it's just like Word, right? If you want to copy anything or cut anything from here, let's say you want to get rid of this AI managed thing. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to click this scissor and automatically it will go away. So there are there is everything that you do in Word present over here, and you can perform these actions on this extracted content. Okay, once you're done with this, once you're done with editing the content, you can download the file, okay, in the form of HTML. So I would like to save it on my desktop with name demo. Okay, save. And let me come on the desktop and open the file in the browser for you guys. So here I go. So this is how the file has come up. Now if you want to save it as a PDF, you just have to do control and you just have to press control and P keys together. Okay, and it will show you this option of printing this page, but instead of printing it, I would like to save it, right, as a PDF. So how to do that? Just a second. I think I need to open it up on Chrome, not here, because Edge doesn't provide you that facility. So let me quickly open it up on my Chrome browser. Here I go. And if I do control and P keys together, so I'm getting an option of saving this as a PDF. And here I go. So I am again going to save it on the desktop only, and this is how you will get the PDF file. Let me show it to you. So this is the one which we just created. Correct, now it's a PDF file, okay, that we have created out of the HTML. Fine. Now if you want to create a document, let's say Word document you want to create, you just have to open Word, okay, and then you have to come here on the HTML file, just copy the content and paste it over here, and you will get to see everything in the same way you have edited on the application. See, right? So this is how you will get the content. Fine. So that's how this application works. I hope you guys liked it. Please do not forget to like and share this video in your groups. And if you want the code, let me know on my WhatsApp number, which is getting reflected on your screen. I'll be happy to share it with you so that you guys can also use it. And you can enhance and add some more features to this application. Like for example, right now it is able to process only the PDF files. So in case you want it to process for you the Word documents, you just have to change the type of this button, okay, so that it can pick up the Word files. Likewise, you can change it to something else also if you want to process the content of that particular file type, right? So I hope you guys have got the point, and if you like the lecture, do share it with your friends, and do uh, support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.